Topic 1. Significant investments in AI and supercomputing by major companies like Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta, with Amazon pledging up to $50 billion for US government projects. Major companies such as Amazon, Alphabet, and Meta are making substantial investments in artificial intelligence, AI, and supercomputing. Amazon plans to invest up to $50 billion for US government projects, starting in 2026, adding 1.3 gigawatts of AI and supercomputing capacity in AWS Top Secret, AWS Secret, and AWS GovCloud regions. This will enable federal agencies to utilize AI services like Amazon SageMaker and Amazon Bedrock. These investments aim to support the US government's leadership in the AI era and accelerate government missions through AI-driven simulations and modeling data. Additionally, Amazon plans to invest $15 billion to build a data center campus in northern Indiana to meet the growing demand for AI. Topic 2. Volatility in the cryptocurrency market with significant sell-offs and concerns about an AI bubble. The cryptocurrency market has recently experienced significant volatility, with Bitcoin dropping about one-third from its October peak to around $86,304, and Ethereum falling 40% compared to last month. The total market value of cryptocurrencies has decreased by over $1 trillion, attributed to a general retreat in the stock market and the potential halt of interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. Both tech stocks and cryptocurrencies are considered risk assets and tend to decline together. Meanwhile, concerns about a bubble in the AI market have emerged, with stocks of AI-related companies like Nvidia also declining. Notable investor Michael Burry warns that the AI market may follow a path similar to the dot-com bubble, emphasizing that while AI technology may be socially beneficial, it is not guaranteed to be economically successful. This suggests ongoing uncertainty and volatility in both the cryptocurrency and AI markets. Topic 3. Political tensions and legal challenges involving Trump, including discussions with Chinese President Xi over Taiwan and a lawsuit for tax non-payment. Senator Jim Justice and his wife are facing a lawsuit from the U.S. government over more than $5 million in unpaid federal income taxes dating back to 2009. The lawsuit claims the justices refused to pay taxes, although they have agreed to pay the amount with no specified timeline. Justice has been elected to replace Joe Manchin in the Senate in 2024. Meanwhile, former President Donald Trump discussed Taiwan and a peace plan for Ukraine in a phone call with Chinese President Xi Jinping. Xi emphasized the importance of Taiwan returning to China, and Trump acknowledged the significance of the Taiwan issue to China. This call was part of efforts to ease tensions in the US-China trade war, with Trump praising Xi as a great leader. These political tensions and legal challenges illustrate the complex relationship between Trump and China. Topic 4. Economic challenges with rising costs affecting US households and potential recession concerns. The economic challenges facing US households and concerns about a potential recession are summarized as follows. 1. Economic struggles of households. Approximately 24% of US households are living paycheck to paycheck, an increase from the previous year. Low-income households are experiencing greater economic stress due to rising prices, with 29% of low-income households living paycheck to paycheck, while middle and high-income households show little change. 2. Price and wage disparity. The inflation rate is rising faster than the after-tax wage growth for low-income households. Recent inflation is at 3%, while wage growth is only 1%, exacerbating the economic burden on low-income families. 3. Recession concerns. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent claims there is no risk of a recession in the US by 2026, optimistic that President Trump's tariffs and trade agreements will have a positive impact. However, some economic experts warn that the housing market and interest-sensitive